you into cars? Huh?
Yes. Need food.
It'll be the jalapeno cheddar brat with the Mississippi mud, which is our homemade sauce.
Let's go for it.
Any other toppings on that, sir?
It's not even gonna take it that far.
Thank you, Ben. We appreciate you, sir.
Yeah. Ooh, peppers. Yeah. Oh, it smells so good.
All right, now what kind of a dog is that?
It's something with a whole lot of peppers and about to be all up in my mouth. The hot polish.
Quality check.
Yep, looking good, looking good. Monta. Oh, pepper.
Hey, if he had got a chance, he could have parked right in front of that.
Ooh, spicy.
Everybody?
Which one do you
Hot
get?
City Grill. I got the jalapeno cheddar bratwurst.
Jalapeno cheddar bratwurst.
Yep. This is definitely hitting the spot right now.
Great
Like,
deal, man. I hope y'all enjoy yourself.
Yeah, we out of this motherfucker. The parking meter dude, he is on one. He wants us to get the fuck out of here. After we eat the glizzy though.
real quick.
I got the
Is that barbecue dog?
no, it's a beef Polish. Yeah, beef Polish. How you want?
Photographer.
Splendor Motorsports, I do
There you go.
suspension, brakes, tires, detailing, tinted windows, anything else that you need, I do it.
Yeah,
That's what's up. And what's the name of the company? or-
Splendor Motorsports. You can find me on Facebook and on Instagram, Splendor
Oh yeah,
Motorsports.
he clean
Yep.
with it too. Look at that.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar.
Ooh, Need for Speed Underground.
Need for
is
Speed.
Yeah.
That.
the first one on PlayStation.
Oh man.
Need for Speed
Oh,
Underground.
that soundtrack. The Need for Speed soundtrack.
Yes.
Is classic.
Yes.
Right.
Oh my god.